Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your BNY Mellon account step by step clearly. To activate your BNY Mellon account, start by visiting the official BNY Mellon website. Look for the login area on the home page. Click on the Activate Account link. You will be directed to the activation page. Here, enter your account number in the designated field. Next, input your social security number or tax identification number. After that, provide your date of birth in the specified format. Review the information you have entered to ensure it is correct. Once confirmed, click the Next button to proceed. You may be prompted to verify your identity through a security question or a code sent to your email or phone. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. After successful verification, you will be asked to create a password. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements outlined on the page. Re-enter your password to confirm it. Now, select and answer any security questions for added account protection. Once all steps are completed, review your information one last time. Finally, click the Activate Account button to finalize the activation process. You should receive a confirmation message indicating your account is now active. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.